The JZENT G-19 Bluetooth plasma speaker combines a compact Tesla coil with wireless audio, turning a simple desktop setup into a dramatic science showpiece. Its multiple interchangeable discharge tips let you choose between fine streams or a thicker central arc that reaches several inches, making the visual effect especially striking. Setup is refreshingly straightforward, since you just assemble the coil, connect power, and switch it on without worrying about complex grounding or calibration. In music mode, the device reacts to square wave tracks over Bluetooth, so the electric arc appears to pulse and dance in time with your audio. Beyond the spectacle, it serves as a hands-on way to explore concepts like high-voltage discharge and wireless energy transfer, which is valuable for curious students and hobbyists. The combination of eye-catching arcs, simple operation, and educational value makes this Tesla coil a memorable gift and a fun conversation piece for a desk or workshop.